Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Thank you for joining us. The food of the long-lived. Everything you need to know about the health benefits of dates. What are the health benefits of dates? These fruits are rich in copper, iron, magnesium, zinc, manganese, potassium, calcium, and vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B6, and so on. They contain several types of antioxidants that can help prevent the development of certain chronic diseases, such as heart disease and Alzheimer's disease, reduce inflammation, and prevent the formation of plaques in blood vessels, particularly in the brain. In addition, they fight viral infections, soothe coughs, and promote elimination. Macronutrients. They are beneficial for anemia and hypertension, improve brain function, and have a positive effect on the heart, kidneys, and liver.
Here is a recipe, for example, on how to get rid of a cough.
It's an effective recipe, I must say, based on date.
Take 2 tablespoons of dates and half a liter of milk and simmer for 30 minutes.
But don't boil it in the literal sense, simmer it over low heat instead. You should drink the milk very warm, not hot. Half a glass 3 times a day, 30 minutes before meals, for 1 week. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.